bathroom is one of the most important rooms in a house, and it is essential to have a well-designed and functional space. One way to achieve this is by incorporating the latest trends in bathroom cabinet design. Casa Custom will explore 5 trends that are currently popular when it comes to building bathroom cabinets. Whether you are looking to renovate your existing bathroom, these trends will surely inspire you to create a stylish and organized space. Firstly, mirror cabinet is a trend that has gained immense popularity in recent years. A mirror cabinet combines both elements, providing a seamless and sleek look. Secondly, LED lighting is another trend. LED lights are energy efficient, can add a warm and welcoming glow to the room. Not only enhances the aesthetic appeal of the bathroom, but also improves its functionality. Open cubes for storage have become a popular choice, provide a modern, minimalist look to the space, are also great for keeping everyday essentials within reach, while maintaining a clutter-free environment. U-shaped drawers are another trend that adds a touch of elegance and functionality to bathroom cabinets. These drawers are designed to maximize storage space and make use of every inch available, are perfect for keeping smaller items. The choice of vanity countertop plays a crucial role in creating a stylish bathroom cabinet. Not only add a luxurious feel to the bathroom, but also withstand the wear and tear of daily use. By following these trends, you can create a space that is not only aesthetically pleasing, but also organized and efficient. Follow us and get more details.